There's a new way for rideshare drivers to get an electric vehicle to drive on Uber and Lyft. OneCarNow is a company that is launching in Miami, Florida. They're offering an all-inclusive auto subscription service that includes insurance, maintenance, and 24/7 support. Today we'll discuss how you qualify, how you can apply, and also the vehicles that they offer. So OCN is actually one of the largest fleet operators. They recently raised their $86 million Series A, and they're bringing their unique rent-to-own model to the United States, launching first in Miami. They have a rent-to-own option, and if you choose that option, the rental payments that you make will go towards purchasing the vehicle. And if you choose to own the vehicle after 36 months, you can do so at a competitive market price. Alright, so in order to qualify for the program, drivers have to have completed at least 800 rides on rideshare platforms like Uber or Lyft, maintain a minimum rating of 4.8 stars, and have more than 1 year of rideshare driving experience. Now, if you meet those requirements, then you can complete an online application. This online application can be completed in less than 10 minutes, and after that, vehicles can be secured within 2 to 3 business days. Now let's go over some included benefits. You can drive up to 4,000 miles per month with additional miles costing 15 cents each. Comprehensive insurance and scheduled maintenance is included. They have an easy digital payment system, and again, that rent-to-own option allows drivers to purchase the vehicle after 36 months. Now, as far as the vehicles they offer, they currently offer 3 EV models. They offer the Hyundai Ioniq 5 long range. It has a range of 336 miles, and the Ioniq 5 is the majority of their starting fleet. And using the calculator on OCN's website, you'll see gas savings of $628.60 per month if you drive 250 miles per day. The next vehicle is the Genesis GV60 long range. It offers a range of 310 miles per charge, and with the Genesis you can expect gas savings of $567 per month if you drive 250 miles per day. And the last vehicle is the 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric. It has a range of 336 miles, and with the Kona you can expect gas savings of $628.60 per month if you drive 250 miles per day. And here's the cost comparison on their website. The Ioniq 5 starts at $399 per week, the Genesis starts at $479 per week, and the Kona starts at $299 per week. All three are really nice electric vehicles with over 300 miles of range. And the Genesis actually qualifies for Uber Premier, and the Ioniq 5 and Kona qualify for Comfort Electric trips. And you can earn up to 30% more per ride on these tiers. And the Uber Zero Emissions Incentive allows drivers of fully electric vehicles like these to earn up to an extra $4,000 annually on Uber's platform. Overall, this is a pretty cool model for those of you that would like to rent an EV as opposed to owning one right now. Again, they have that rent-to-own option, so you can take your rental payments and put those towards owning the vehicle after 36 months. For me personally, if I were to apply for a vehicle, I would definitely go with the Hyundai Kona because it is the most cost-effective. But the Ioniq 5 is another good option. Like the Kona, it has a range of 336 miles, and again, it might be the most available vehicle as it is a majority of their starting fleet. Again, they are initially only available in Miami, but will be expanding to other cities in the future. And you can find the latest availability by browsing their website, and that link will be in the description. And if you do qualify and are interested in applying, our referral link will be in the description. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.